Everyone, I'm going to show you really quick how to change the battery on a Chevy Tahoe Key Fob. This is for a 2024, but should be the same from 2021 through 2024. No tools required. All we have to do is first we'll use this little button on the side here, push that, and that'll pop out your manual key there. Then you can actually just use the manual key, slide it right into this slot here, and then twist it to open up the case. So now we've got the case pulled apart, opened up, and you can see our battery here. It's a CR2450, so that's the one you'll have to get to replace it with. Popping this out is pretty simple. Just kind of carefully grab it, pull it out, and then we can go ahead and grab our new one. I went ahead and got the same exact one from Panasonic, just so I had a matching one, and it just will slide in and rest in there like so. And then of course we're just going to reassemble the case here. Nothing more than lining it up and pushing on it to get those clips to snap into place. And then we'll just make sure everything is good. Put that manual key back in there, clip that back in, and now we've got our key fob back assembled with a new battery in it, ready to go.